One thing that's important to mention here is that the first user in Drupal, which is often called user 1, or when we were filling out the installation profile information, it was the site administrator, this user has all permissions available to them, which, as we're building the site, is definitely a good thing. But sometimes if we're taking on some other role as a contributor or as managing comments or something like that, we may want to use a user account that has fewer permissions. This leaves us less open to things like cross-site request forgery attacks, which may sound a little bit weird, but the essence of it is that somebody creates some type of link that takes us to a location where we can do something with our content or our users, like delete them or edit them or change their password, and we didn't intend on doing that in the first place. If we're not using our main administration account that has full permissions, then we don't have to worry so much about those kind of attacks. Okay, back here, authored on, we're going to leave at the default, which will say that it's authored today. Under publishing options, let's go ahead and publish this. We'll leave promoted to front page unchecked for the same reason that we mentioned earlier, and sticky at top of lists isn't important right now. So let's just click save. Okay, here's our product. We got the title, the description, and the image.